Most people instinctively begin a city drawing by outlining the buildings, stacking windows, shaping rooftops, and chasing details. But this approach often leads to distorted proportions and inconsistent perspective because it skips the underlying structure that organizes the entire scene. The correct starting point is the horizon line, which represents the viewer's eye level. Every vanishing point, every receding edge, and every vertical alignment is governed by this line. Without it, the drawing becomes guesswork. With it, the scene gains coherence and spatial logic from the very first marks. The position of the horizon line does more than organize space. It defines the viewer's physical relationship to the scene. A high horizon line suggests the observer is elevated, as if looking down from a balcony or upper floor, making the tops of objects more visible. A low horizon line places the viewer closer to the ground, often emphasizing the height and dominance of buildings. When the horizon sits around the middle of the composition, it typically reflects a standing viewpoint, while a lower placement can imply the observer is seated. By deliberately choosing the height of the horizon line, the artist controls not just perspective, but the narrative point of view, the implied photographer behind the image. Thank you all for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with others who might benefit.